Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. I can't believe that we lived through a pandemic, the coronavirus, COVID-19. But I just try to deliver the latest video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of cigarette smell in your car. Like if you have like really crazy and stupid friends, girlfriend or boyfriend, who decided to smoke in your car when you're a non-smoker, the smell of cigarettes can last a long time, because I've seen some people actually smoke in my friend's car who was non-smoker, and the other friend was a smoker, and then they got really pissed off because the smell of the cigarette actually started to get stuck in the interior of the car. The thing is, especially if you have a cloth interior, even leather too, the smell of cigarette is really bad. And there was it's funny now, but back then it wasn't really funny. My wife and I, when we first got married, we went to visit our college, and then what happened, there was this Japanese girl. I don't know who she was. I thought she was my wife's friend. We were supposed to go out with our friends for our last day to be together after we graduated. We just got married, and my wife felt really bad for this girl, so we took her to Santa Rosa, California, and then after we were done eating out and some of our friends wanted to go bowling, this girl decided, I want to go home, I wanted to go home, I want to go home. So we had to drive back to college. And guess what? If you've been to California, Santa Rosa, from Napa Valley to Santa Rosa, the road went like this. It's very winding, and she decided to throw up in my car. It was my Toyota Tercel. Man, it stinks so bad. Her vomit was all over my car. It took me a while. I was really upset because I don't know who she was. We just felt bad because she was alone. Nobody asked her to go out and hang out with us. She ended up throwing up in my car. But to make long story short, it's okay. Back then I didn't know. It took me a while. I scrubbed that thing with soap, with all kinds of stuff. But in this video, let's say the vomit smell or cigarette smell won't go away, and I'll teach you how to get rid of it. First of all, I have these two products. The first one is Armor All Freshfx. This one is to get rid of a mildew and musty smell in your car. This one is for SmokeX, for a rapid odor eliminator to destroy smoke and other stubborn odors. The thing about this one is it doesn't really destroy the musty mildew the thing is, mold grows in our AC system, cooling system, and it's you know what I'm talking about, right? It smells like mildew growing in your car. So with Porsche Cayenne Turbo, come here, Brenna. Porsche decided to make it really hard. First of all, to use this one, you need to access the, look, Brenna, that's the fresh air intake. Porsche decided to cover it up, so it's really difficult to get. Well, it's not difficult, you just have to pop this screw off and then open the cover, and then you just have to get this thing and then spray it like that. With VW, it's the location of the fresh air intake is right here underneath the hood, so it's not there. You have to uncover it. With Jaguar, come here, Brenna, the fresh air intake is located right here, and right there. So you just have to you run the product like that as you turn the car on. Anyway, in this video, I'm gonna show you on how to do it on the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, since the car is already right here. First of all, let's get rid of the cigarette smell and the smoke smell and the weird odor smell. The thing is, with this one, come here, Brenna, you want to be outside the car. Come here, and I'm gonna put all of these items in the description. If you have old car that smells really bad, you want. And then the thing about this one, it only remove the odor temporarily. We want to clean the actual duct vent. The thing is, the smoke and cigarette smell and the mildew is still in the vent, so we're gonna use the second product. But number one, let's use the SmokeX first. I'm gonna put it here for now. Open this thing, and it's like a fogger for the what you want to make sure the car is running for 10 minutes, and you make sure you get the fresh air from the outside to go inside. Let's run the car. I'm gonna go ahead and trying to get the fresh air option, and make sure you put the AC on what? High. I mean, I'm gonna put it in the lowest setting for the AC, the lowest AC setting, and then make sure you turn up the fan really high. There you go. Then you're gonna press this thing and leave it right here. Show them better. You're gonna press this one and leave it right in the. You want to close the door and get out of the car once this thing is running. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Show them better. No, right there. See that? Let that product running for 10 minutes and let it run. The thing is, this way it's gonna start to getting sucked by the cooling system, you know, AC system, and then start to and go ahead, Brenna, show them again. To start to clean the inside of the car odors, and we just let it run. It should be only a minute. It says 10 minutes, but probably around like 5 to 6 minutes it will keep running. Look at that, it looks so cool, right? You don't want to be in the car while that thing is running. And after the air refresh stop spraying, then you know you want to air the car out a bit and then turn the car off. I'll be back. Hi everyone, it actually takes only like 2 minutes for the can to empty itself. Look at that, Brenna. So make sure there is nothing coming out of the can. So now you want to open the car and turn the car off and air it out a bit. Just let the air out for now. It's really strong right now, so you want the car to be what? Come here, Brenna. So yeah, this is good. Right now the car, it smells like close to a new car smell. You know, if you just buy a car, it's similar to that. A little bit like if you know Febreze fabric, it's kind of mixed new car smell with Febreze, so it smells pretty good. And it's better than Jaguar, for example. I used to have a Jaguar 2008 Jaguar XJR 100, and the previous owner loved to smoke a cigar, and I could smell the cigar in the car for a long time. So now that we air it out a little bit, now what we want to do, the thing is, just because we run this product, what is that thing, the SmokeX, it doesn't get rid of the mildew in the vent. We want to destroy the mildew with this product, the Freshfx. The thing is, you know, like mildew, like mold, you can smell it. It can actually destroy your health. So we want to get rid of it from the vent. So what you want to do, this is what you want to do now. You want to turn the car on again, let the fan run. And what you want to do with this one, you want to go to the air duct fan right there, and we're gonna spray it. I mean, can you see, man? we're gonna spray it right here. There you go. We're gonna spray it. There you go. Once it's done, let the car run and come here, Brandon. Let it air out. It's really strong right now, the smell. So let it air it out quick. Okay, now and then you have to go. You want to lower it down a bit and then start spraying it on each fan. Like that. Then the other one. This way. Now we can go ahead and run it again. The reason why, and then just close the car. And wait another like 2 to 5 minutes. Let the car run and let the product. The thing is, this is like this product will actually destroy some of the mildew in the system, and the car will smell better after that. You don't have that like musty mildew smell anymore. Yeah, so basically that's how you do it. All you need to do is to get this product right here. Oh, what is it? The Freshfx. You run this one first to get rid of the smell in the interior. Once you're done with this one, you get what? The Freshfx SmokeX to make sure the interior smells good, but that doesn't really destroy the mildew in the system. You want to get the Freshfx vent and duct cleaner. That will clean the duct, you know, the air vent duct, to make sure all the mildew and the mold smell will disappear. Anyway, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay safe guys. Love you. Bye.